What up, YouTube? This is Slamming Cycles right here, and we're gonna install the bottom bracket cups. So I like to use this PPL-1 Polylube 1000 lubricant. So first things first, you're gonna want to rub the lubricant all over the bottom bracket, and we're gonna want to insert that in there. On the other side, put it right there. Put that right there. Yep. Put that right there. Boom. Put another washer in there. You're gonna want to screw it in there. Keep screwing it in. And this is how I like to keep it as center as possible, just so that, boom, you keep pressing it. Let me find another tool to hold the other side so I can keep twisting it, just so that I can hold it in place. Boom, like that. So this is what you're gonna want. See how it's having it in place? Because I've seen that other videos that people use a hammer or a mallet. I've done that before, but in my opinion, it's not the best way to do it. So you just keep pressing it. You have to use all your strength. Boom. Keep going. You're gonna keep pressing it. Boom. And little by little, this cup will be installed. And boom. So see how it got installed? Right now I will take the tool off, the bottom bracket tool, and you will see the final results. Let's see. Boom. Perfect. So you just unscrew it. Take that off. And boom. Perfect. The result. All smooth. Boom. Now this bike officially has double twist parts. So I appreciate you guys support. I did try to see if this headset cup will fit. Unfortunately, it looks like it won't. It will not fit. So I'm gonna save it for another bike, but take a closer look. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.